Ashley's Towing. Let's see. Alrighty guys, off the rip, we have a Toyota. What is this? We have a Toyota 4Runner with 78,000 miles, cash only. Title is in. But something like this, I already know this is gonna go for pretty expensive. They like these kind of trucks out here for some odd reason. I don't know why, but it is what it is. They really do like these trucks. So I've seen a few of them go for like 6-7 grand, like with super high mileage. So I wouldn't be surprised to see what that goes for. But have a little trailer here. I don't know, I kind of need a trailer, but like I can hook it up to the CAMARO. But I would definitely, I don't know if this will work or not. I don't know, it's pretty small. I got a few cars here. Boat. This one's got rod noise. Let's see what this boat is like on the inside. It's pretty clean compared to all the other boats that I see. This one's pretty clean. Of course, it's a super old boat. Super old boat. But slap a LS motor on it and freaking nice little paint job and you're good as new. Number 4 is a Volkswagen Jetta. This one has a blown head gasket. Won't be bidding on this bad boy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't know if it was drunk driving or whatever, but I won't be bidding on that thing. Another trailer here. This is actually a trailer I might be interested in. I'm pretty sure you can fit a car on here. What do you guys think? You think you can fit a car on this joint? I have a couple minivans, nothing I would bid on, but they have this Grand Prix, 172,000 miles. Oh man, this is pretty fair. If it goes for pretty cheap, I'll bid on it. Let's see, they have a CAMARO here, Z28 CAMARO. This is a LT1. So this is not the model you want because it has a bunch of like overheating issues. But it's a CAMARO. Got hood vents on this joint. I got mufflers in the back, all that good stuff. Have a Chevy Malibu, 164,000 miles. Nothing I would buy in, but it might go pretty cheap. Got a Benz salvage title. Yeah, we don't want that. I got a bunch of like junk cars here today, dude. Bunch of junk. A bunch of junk.
175 now, we're to go through. So 175. 141. You're a smart man. You came in right at the right price. Car number 9 got a Road 3 Honda Odyssey. Got some miles. Opened it up. Got all the seats. Got all the seats, James. Bring it up. Star of the show. One of them. We got a few really nice cars coming up. Get ready. Hold on. Hey, I liked 86,000 miles. Hello. Hello, Mileage God. Thank you, Mileage God. 86,000 miles from the Mileage God. Car number 10. Now I'm going to go 5 now, 50 now, I'm going to go 6. Then 550 now, I'm going to go 6, got it. Now I'm going to go 50 now, I'm going to go 7. 7 now, 8, got it, $900. Then 9 now, I'm going to go 1,000 now, I'm going to go 11. Then 1,000 now, I'm going to go 11, I got $1,000 outside. Then 1,000 now, I'm going to go 1,000 now, I'm going to go 11. 1,000, got it, 11, now 12, got it, now, oh hey, what do you got? 1150, 12, you gotta be 12, 1175, butter now, I'm gonna go 12 and a quarter, I'm selling the car, goodbye, $1,200 now. We're to go quarter. Last call. Sold. $1,200. 132. In Spanish, that's uno, tres, dos. Pretty good, huh? Now, what are you thinking about now? We're to go 200 now. We're to go 253, 350, $400. 4 now, 500 now. We're to go 6. Now 7. Now 7. Now 7. Now 7. Now where? Got it. Now 8. Now 8. 7 now. We're to go 8. 7 now. We're to go 8 now. I got 7 outside. You got your money outside. It's outside. James, find your money. I heard him yelling out there. $700 outside. 7, you got him, James?
They have a few cars out here, a bunch of older cars, but all in all, cars. Impalas, all this other stuff. Got Benzes, no keys. This thing looks like it's been sitting forever. I don't really see nothing I would get, honestly. Nothing out here, guys. All these cars are pretty old. This is number 34. This is a 07. It doesn't have the mileage on these things. See, that's what I like about the other auction. The other auction has the mileage and all that, but it's a veteran's truck. You might look up, see if this Pontiac Trans, if this is the fast one. Of course it's not, it's the slow one. Yeah, I don't really got too much. See, now, like, this is something newer that I would buy. I don't even think this is in the auction. Yep, these cars aren't our flavor. I wouldn't waste my money on these cars, so I'm gonna go get my 100 back and go on about my day. What's up, guys? We are back with another update. Back on COPART here. We're gonna try to bid on a car and see if we can win it or not. Man, we are back, dude. I think I just won something. I actually tried bidding on a few cars in the past week. It just didn't go as well. However, today I bidded on a few cars. The first one was a 2006 Trailblazer SS. Know anything about LS Motors and LS type cars, these cars will always sell for around the price that they're selling at. So I tried to bid on one of those. It actually sold for lower than I expected. I just know how COPART hits you over the head in the end with the taxes and stuff. So I didn't get that one, but I did win a 2009 Chevy Silverado for $1,300. The buy now price on that was $2,200. It's actually in Boston, Massachusetts. How I'm gonna get it, I don't know. Getting there won't be a problem. It's getting it back. Third auction in today's video. We've been hitting a few auctions lately, just trying to find something and catch a deal. So let's see if we can find anything today while we wait on our approval for that truck.
What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Honda, come on out, check it out. Put it on 9. Put it on the money now. Only 144 on miles. 07 Ford Taurus. Put it on the, is that 07, right? Put it on the money, thinking about 2 1/4 now, 250. 2 1/4 now, I'm gonna go 250. I don't know, 2 1/4 now, I'm gonna go 250 now, I'm gonna go 2 1/4 now, I'm gonna go 50. I don't know, 2 1/4 now, I'm gonna go 50 now, I'm gonna go 2 1/4 now, I'm gonna go 50. Last call. So 2 1/4, 80.99. Put it on the money.
A lot of these cars don't run.
Flat tire. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? 213 now. What do you Put it on the money now. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? What do you go? Let's go now. What do you go? Fire now. What do you go? Buick Century. Running vehicle. Only got 165 on the miles. 99.
Let's see if we can get this limo.
Hey, come on out and hang in the limo. I want everybody to go
Let's
in
see
the
how much this limo
and
goes. Wow, that limo just sold for $1,100. Too bad I don't need a limo, or else I would have got it.
sell to the vehicle. So let's go. The deals are here today. It's got the third wheel. It's actually very clean.
You got rear wheel, back cam?
I'm gonna get 550 now, I'm gonna get 575, making a little noise, but clean. I'm gonna get 550 now, I'm gonna get 575. I'm gonna get 550 now, I'm gonna get 575, he's in at 550.
I would just ride it.
Nah, I would too. I ain't gonna even front.
I'll
All right, the shit out that bitch. 79K, $200 key fee. Let's see what this one go for.
Thing's smoking.
So, we can't give it away. We have people stop by. We have some put on there. We have people call from Arizona. This is a beautiful vehicle. Got all the ways, looking good, looking good, looking good. 2012. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about?